Hey everyone, so I just wanted to let you know that you'll probably see more from me since I'm able to work from home, and I'm so thankful for that. For now, we're working from home, and so I don't have to do that 2-hour commute. I don't have to get up at 4:30. I can get up at 6:30, and so it allows me to spend more time in the garden, which I'm so thankful for. But I wanted to pop on really quick and show you an indicator that I use for myself, because I know I wrote down when I started these seeds, but I forgot what I wrote them in. I got so many books and journals that I write stuff in, and I jot stuff down to put it in the thing, but I don't know where it is. So this, when it's like that, or if you're like that, this is an indicator for me when my onions are about to be ready. So let me get a little bit closer and I'll show you. Okay, so again, these onions were started from seed. These are the Gabriella seed from Baker Creek Seeds. Since we're in Southeast Georgia, one thing you need to know when you're doing onions is if you need a long day, intermediate, short day. For us, we need to grow short day onions. And so I started these from soil blocks. I let them get like one little, what do you call it, like little spike up. I hardened them off and I put them in the ground last fall. But okay, since I don't know what day I did, and a lot of them will tell you on the back of the package how many days, an indicator for me is when the tops start to fall. When your tops start to fall, it is time to go ahead and get ready to harvest. Now we got this top falling. We have this one over here that's fallen, that one. So I guarantee you in the next few days that the tops are gonna start falling, but I am so pleased with these. For one thing, normally I buy my onions from the little bulbs not that they sell at the store, but last year we grew some red onions, and I went to our local garden center where they were grown like out in the field. So they put you in the mind of little spring onions. They came, I want to say either 25 or 50 in a pack. But this year I was able to start it from seed. And when you're able to start it from seed, you have, you can choose, you have more varieties to choose from when you start it from seed. Gabriella, I went on there, I read about it, sounds good. So after I pull them, this is what I do, y'all. So they're ready. I'm gonna pull them over by my bedroom. We have like a little small patio, and I have like a piece of wire or fencing that I sit them on, because you want them to get good airflow. And I let them cure over there for about 2 weeks, and then I can bring them in and I can store them. I did want to plant some more, but I kind of ran out of space. But I'm just so thankful. Just one tiny seed, you guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna be quiet. One tiny seed, and I get these onions right here. I'm not sure if I want to make onion powder. I don't know what I want to do with them, because I also have some onions over on the other side in the garden. They didn't bulb up as much, but I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to y'all. I didn't take care of them as much as I took care of these right here, because if you can see, when you first come out to the garden, I just kind of go down and I kind of take sections. So by the time I get to that section, it's a little bit later on in the season. A lot of them are going to seed over there, if you can see it. And so I may let a few go to seed, but again, the purpose of the video was just to show you an indicator of when it's time to pull your onions. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.